Hello again, everyone. My name's Jeff Ferris. Welcome to my shop, and this is Deep Dive. We're going to take a closer look at a Woodpeckers tool. And this week, it's going to be our mini indexable squares. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll always know when we're releasing a new video. All right, let's take a look. A few months ago, we released our full-size combination square and double square and the XL versions. Now we are releasing smaller versions, our mini indexables. So as you can see, the heads are smaller and the blade is narrower. Now I want to address a few questions that we've had about both the minis and the full size. One of the big questions is, are the blades interchangeable? Well, within the XL and the full size, the blades are all interchangeable between the full size head and the XL head. The full size blades will not interchange with the minis, but the minis are interchangeable with themselves. Okay, you can use the same blade in either the double square or the combination square, and we have the joiners dovetail squares that were a one-time tool a few months ago. These will also interchange with the minis. The next question, and this also applies to both the full size and the minis, is locking at places other than the full inch. Okay, our indexing system, this little button right here, is designed so that you can press that button and lock the blade dead on at every full inch along the blade. Now that's primarily to make the scribing guides accurate. If you want to lock any place in between, that's okay too. It'll lock anywhere between the marks. So another big question that we have is, why do we make that head out of aluminum? Why don't we make it out of cast iron? We make the head out of aluminum for the same reason we make the blade and all the hardware from stainless steel. This tool is completely corrosion proof. It will never rust. You can't say that about a cast iron square head. If that's left in a shop that has a moisture situation, you're going to get some rust. With the anodized aluminum, never going to be a problem. These squares are made to the same exacting tolerance as our fixed blade squares. I want to remind you about a couple of features on the indexable squares, both the full-size XL and the new minis, that you won't find on any other combination square on the market. The first is the tab. Slide that out, and now your square is fully supported. With just about every other combination square on the market, you don't have that tab, it's going to fall. With the tab, it stays in position. The other feature that you won't find anywhere else is our scribing guides. The notches in the blade are set up to take either a mechanical or wooden pencil and allow you to lay down a perfectly parallel line. So the mini indexables are available a few different ways. There are 4 different heads: combination square, double square, centering head, and protractor head. Each head is available with its most popular blade length. However, there's a separate page on the website where you can mix and match to get just what you want. Or you can buy the complete set with everything in it. If you prefer working in metric, we offer metric versions of all the heads and blades. On the metric versions, the scribing guides are on 1mm centers and the heads lock every 30 millimeters. If you're interested in these tools, there's a link right down below in the description that'll take you right to the ordering page. I hope you enjoyed our presentation on the mini indexable squares today. Hit that subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll know about every one of our new videos. Thanks so much for watching today. We'll see you next time on Deep Dive.